Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Turbo VPN on your PC. First, open your browser and search for Turbo VPN on Google. Then open the official website and click on Download VPN. After that, choose the Windows version and click on Download for PC. Then the file will start downloading automatically. Once the download is finished, open the setup file and install the VPN on your computer. After the installation is complete, launch Turbo VPN. So you might see a premium offer on the screen, so if you want extra features, you can upgrade anytime. To connect to the VPN, simply choose any country from the list and click on it. Then Turbo VPN will start connecting, and within a few seconds, your VPN will be ready to use. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.